This is the video tutorial dedicated to help you get rid of the new adware called Production Interactive. Production Interactive is a new adware that is actually from the AdLoad family. Production Interactive adware attacks Mac computers these days. In most of the cases, users download and install this adware unintentionally. This is why it is correctly classified as a potentially unwanted software. Often, this adware is installed through being integrated with some free programs. So if it was installed to your system, you need to get rid of it. Otherwise, it will just keep disturbing you greatly, keep annoying you greatly. Check your applications through your Finder, locate this adware called Production Interactive, right-click on it, and move it to the trash. Also, I recommend you to additionally investigate your device with Combo Cleaner that you may get on the website combocleaner.com. Use the green Download Combo Cleaner button, install the software, start it, and then begin researching the system in order to identify and remove other infections. After you start Combo Cleaner Antivirus for the first time, the application will be initially in the trial mode, even though certain features of Combo Cleaner are absolutely free to use. For example, disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database, and after it is successfully updated, click on Start Combo Scan button. Combo Cleaner Antivirus will then begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. There are some other features that require premium license. They are antivirus, privacy scanner, and uninstaller feature. The scanning duration depends on various factors, of course. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time, and it may depend on some other factors too, of course. So take your time. Wait until the scanning by Combo Cleaner has been successfully accomplished. Also, if you choose to upgrade to Premium, you can request a limited functionality trial activation key. But definitely, Premium license is a much better solution to keep your system always protected from further adware or malware attacks. So at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider Premium license, and this way your system will always be protected from further virus attacks.